Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, children of all ages, I am happy that you're here and that you need to know about spider tanks and you need to buy spider tanks. You need to get into spider tanks and you need to do your own research, of course. And there's a lot of people that if you just type in Gala Games, you can easily do your own research. I'm no financial expert. You get the whole thing. Anyway, Alex Becker, who's also not a financial advisor or expert, he covered this, and Gala Games is incredibly amazing. I wish I had bought in at this point, and I'll tell you why, because it's shot to the moon. They're doing their own. This to me is the moon. I'm kidding. They're doing their own event right now, and because they're doing their own event related to spider tanks, they're talking more about their land sales. They're talking more about their tokenomics effectively because they didn't have a white paper. And if you're not familiar with this project, you've got some heavy hitters from. There are people from EA Games. There are people from Zynga Games that have started this company. And that's one of the reasons why this thing has gone up. Actually, the big reason it's gotten up is that this project has a functional storefront. It has like a Steam-like storefront, okay? Meaning that they're doing their own games, but they can open up as a publisher and publish more games. That's a big number one. I played the beta. Spider Tanks is amazing. That's the other thing. Number two, Spider Tanks is simply amazing. It's much better than Axie, which I never played. I only saw videos because Axie's too expensive. But I will tell you, Spider Tanks is amazing. It can be easily the League of Legends of crypto gaming. And that's a big thing, okay? And just really quickly about those tokens, there's going to be Spider Tanks, and there's also going to be Gala. And Gala will be like the Axie coin, as Spider Tank tokens will actually be the tokens you earn while playing Spider Tanks. So that being said, let's get more into how to get into this user interface and what exactly it is. Now, the thing about this is that if you want to get into this game and you don't have ridiculous money to buy the planets, because you did not get in at 2 cents when Alex Becker had said to buy, okay? You got in like me at 50 cents, which is still pretty good. I still think it's going to go up. You can basically skip all this. You want to go here and you'll find some cheap builds. You want to get into these cheap builds right here, right? Now, the reason why I'm talking about these cheap builds is if you get, like, say, these are the commons, but I'm going to talk about uncommons, or let's go all over rares. All right, you see something like rare, right? And you click this. It says right here that the body has been upgraded to level 12. Now, what that means that it's been upgraded to level 12 is simply that if you buy this, because one of the founders is from Zynga. Zynga did a lot of phone games, or a lot of free-to-play games. This is one of those things that if you buy this, you pay for it, and all of a sudden you just move up levels, okay? And that's not the best way to do it. What you want to do is you kind of get like a cheaper build. You get a common build like I did, and then you just basically build up and level this up. And this common build, this is the Bandit. You know, this actually cost me about maybe $300, I think. $300 after everything was said and done. $300 to $400. That's how much it is to get in. And what's really great about this is that when these level up, I can sell these. Then I can sell these on the on like a market like OpenSea, or probably another marketplace that's a little better. And I can actually make a lot of money. So this thing right here is 3,000. It's a common or uncommon. As my tank levels up, I could potentially sell it to potential other players. Now, about those pay-to-earn mechanics, I want to say this right now, and I hope I title a video like this. This is actually technically going to be a free-to-play. This is technically going to be a free-to-play. And since it's going to be a free-to-play, what that means is that you will be able to play this game, a free-to-play, pay-to-earn. You'll be able to rent tanks on percentage from other tank owners and earn coin with them. That's the big thing about this. So even if you don't buy land, if you don't buy any of the other ways you can earn, you can play the game free by someone lending a tank to you. And I plan to lend out my tanks. If I can get more, I'll be lending out tanks. Now, related to the rental business I'm trying to build here, see this here? This is Executioner. All right, this is ridiculous. This thing here is only like, say, so 8,999. Say it's about 900, so that's about $450. Okay, $450. It is now going for $3,000, like a little over 3,000. 3,000. I'm really bad at this. $3,208.20. This is why I'm redoing this video. I couldn't say this number right. Okay, so again, a $400 tank, $450 tank, 450 tank is now worth 3,000. That is ridiculous, and that is spider tanks. And what I'm hoping to get to is that I'm hoping I have enough spider tank money to buy one of these uncommon or commons when they come out, because as a person trying to start a rental business of this game, I will be able to rent out my tank to other players. And of course they want to play something like this because you can't buy it anymore. So that is my goal. That is what I am saving my hard-earned Gala for, that I got on credit cards. I don't recommend, not financial advice. Don't use your credit card to buy this stuff, but I did it. I know I'm a bad person. Anyway, here's the inventory. And this is the other thing I want to talk about right now. I have not tested this, if I can buy Gala on an exchange. Like, I don't know if I can buy Gala on KuCoin or MEX because it's USDT, and then transfer it into my Gala wallet. I do not know that. I know that it had to go through Ethereum. I just wanted to be safe, so I got Ethereum and I bought into Gala. And what's really cool about this is their wallet is centralized because their node system is not up. Like, if I click on Get Gala, they talk about they don't have their layer 2 solution up yet, right? Okay, yeah, no big deal. Right now, their wallet is completely centralized. This is a wallet. It does have a seed phrase, and right now it's centralized. I cannot like download it or anything like that. This is actually going all the way to a centralized service, as far as I can tell. However, just like any centralized service, I'm able to get Gala. I'm able to send Gala, and again, I'm able to send my my NFTs to sell. So this is all good. This is some great stuff. So I hope in this video you've learned what Gala is. You've seen a little bit of the storefront. I have played their game. The beta is closed now, but I did play the beta. It's really fun. You understand this as far as a game player. You understand this as far as an investor. And of course, you do your own research. And unlike all the other videos that you've seen, I have actually showed players how this actually works and how to get into this. If you have any questions, you know what to do. Put those questions or comments below, and I got to run. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.